The last two episodes have been spent exploring the Ningaloo and surrounding coast. We spent most of our time underwater, immersing ourselves amongst the coral and some of the 700 different fish species. We also got the incredible opportunity to swim alongside the largest fish in the world, the whale shark. This is our third and final episode from the Ningaloo, and probably our favourite. We continue to explore and experience more of the wonders of this special place.
Wake up for us again this morning. We're going out on the tinny with our mates. The boys are going to try and go out for a surf on the outer reef. So it's going to be a bit of a tinny mission. Pretty excited. Hopefully we'll get some waves.
Hopefully. It's been a while.
The swells come up, so fingers crossed for them. I'm going to go for a snorkel while they're out there.
Gorgeous morning. Is it the left? Does look small. Unfortunately, the swell hadn't come up quite as much as we'd hoped, but luckily the water was super clear, so we put our masks and fins on instead and had a look underwater.
Gorgeous.
Dave knew of a bommy out here that was absolutely teeming with life, which made for such a good place to dive.
Taxi!
Yes, please!
Jump up.
When we are low on water, this is how we shower. Good?
Yeah, it works perfect when you just want to get the salt off you. It's
Cool.
so salty and crusty. So it's just a little freshwater rinse and right as rain.
Yeah. So it was a fun little morning out on the tinny. The waves weren't really that good, so we didn't go for a surf, but we jumped in for a little snorkel and a little free dive instead, and it was beautiful. Just heaps of big coral bommies, lots of fish, and it was just nice. It was just a nice morning to be out there. It's a bit hard in the tinny with the four of us. It's only a small boat, so it goes pretty slow, and it was a long way out, but yeah, good way to spend the morning, that's for sure. Anything you want to add? Good little dive.
Yeah, fun morning. So good to be out there. So grateful to have friends that have a tinny, that's for sure.
Yeah. Don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Might go and check out another one of the gorges in the range. And
Going to town, restock.
yeah, go into town and restock all our supplies. And that's about it, I think.
Watch me. Always get what you want.
Multiple lives before. Am I in there high? Are you bouncing up and down, far above ground? Am I in your core? My soul's twisting, almost hurt.
So we pulled into the car park for the gorge walk and said allowed 2 hours. We were like, nah, we can't really be bothered doing that today. It's already getting hot too. We'll come back and do it another morning early when it's cooler.
Left it a bit late today.
A little bit late today.
You gotta do things early in the morning because the sun is just so hot here during the day.
We ended up spending the day in town, filling up our fridge and water. While we do that, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this landscape, mostly untouched by humans. Good day to be alive. We got the bellman back and we're having good coffee again. We're pretty happy, if you can't tell. So what happened was we accidentally broke it and we melted one of the seals that, well, we didn't have a spare, so we had to order a new one. It was getting sent from Queensland, it got sent to Perth, and then we just had to play cat and mouse with it, with the post for ages. And we picked it up yesterday and we fixed it last night, so now we've got it. Alright, verdict. That's good. So we're back, we're doing the Mandu Mandu walk.
We have to follow the white markers, then we won't get lost.
If you didn't see our video from when we hiked Bald Head in Albany, we got very lost because we didn't follow the markers. Wasn't a good idea wearing my sandals because it's pretty hot today and my feet are sweaty as. They're slipping all over the place. Whoa. That was me.
What?
I was just going, whoa.
Oh, the echo.
Echo.
Sorry. Well, there was a dingo.
Oh.
Yeah, this region has so much more to offer than just the reef. Like, there's so many beautiful gorges here. And Mitch's favourite word is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous.
It is a pretty gorgeous gorge. I will give it that. Heaps of rock wallabies that live up on the cliff up there. It's really cool. They're all just living in caves and under trees and stuff. But it seems like this area was once a river, obviously when the sea levels were much higher, but you can tell, and look from looking on the drone, you can see that it's like an old sort of river or stream that runs through the gorge and out to the ocean. Now it's just all like a rocky ground that was probably the riverbed.
It feels so cool to be walking on what once was the riverbed that's all dried up now.
Mm.
It's really sick.
Yeah. Wow, this is incredible. I feel like there should be dinosaurs walking around here. I said that to Mads the other morning when we were driving through the national park. It's just like another world out here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it seems so ancient.
Colour in the rocks is just incredible. And then it's just covered in green trees all hanging down it.
This trip has taken us to some pretty amazing places, hey?
It has. Sometimes it's the places you don't expect as well.
Definitely.
Yeah, we were being told that this place is beautiful, but we didn't really know what it was going to be like. And it is beautiful. But I was just saying to Mads, it's funny, like, whenever we're doing a walk and we're really enjoying it, it takes us so long. We just stop to look at stuff all the time. Wow, this is a great view now.
Gosh, it's so nice.
How's that?
You can see the Ningaloo.
The camera never does it justice.
Nah.
It always looks better in person. So as I was saying before about it looking like it used to be a river, you can see how it flows out. The flow of the pebbles. You can see how it flows out there like that.
So cool.
All the way out to the sea. It's not easy doing.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I won't fall. Don't you fall. It's not easy doing these hills in my sweaty sandals. I feel like they're about to fall off and break. I know. Do you want a hand?
All good.
Look at these. Woo! There's more budgies. Look at them.
Ah!
Look at these ones. Hey.
Whoa!
Oh, here we go. Whoa. How was that?
That was amazing! They just remind me of big schools of fish, but in the air, like the way they all move in unison. There's a turtle just there.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Let's get in! Let's get in! Let's go!
Whoa. That's so cool.
Wow!
These green budgies were flying past in huge flocks all day. It was really cool to see. These birds generally always fly in groups where you'll see 3 to 100 to even thousands of green spots in the sky, covering huge distances as they migrate, following the rainfall and seeding grasses.
going down to our little beach near our campsite. Just going to park up for the afternoon with the brolly and have a swim and just chill. Just take it in.
It's hot. It's really hot.
Mm.
We've been driving around trying to find somewhere to surf for the last hour or so, and hasn't been any waves, and it's hot. We found this little beach down here last night. I mean, it's pretty close to our camp. So gorgeous.
It's really hot.
How nice is it? Just
Wow. Look at this beach. Look at this water. So good.
these are the moments that you have to cherish. What do you think?
Pretty good. It's my favourite beach in Exmouth, I reckon.
Yeah. Have you had a good week in Exmouth?
Yeah, it's been so good. It's just been amazing.
Yeah.
So much diving, so much time out on the water. It's such a beautiful part of the world.
Yeah. Not sure if you can tell, but we're filming on the phone here. Hopefully the quality's good enough.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's alright. The lens isn't that good, but
Got
just
4K though.
caught in 4K. Don't be fooled by the beauty of this beach. We're being absolutely attacked by march flies at the moment. They're everywhere. We're trying to read, and you can't even finish a sentence without another fly biting you or trying to bite you. Oh, whoa! What was that? Something splashed? Maybe someone fishing. Something splashed out over there.
They're too quick.
Look. Fuck.
So bad.
Thanks for watching, folks. We hope you enjoyed our 3 episodes from the Ningaloo, because we certainly had fun creating them. If you haven't seen the first ones yet, click here. Cheers.